Burada trafikte fakirlere para vermenin cezası var.
Değil mi?
Tabii. 1500 bir cezası var. Çünkü kazaya neden oluyor.
Evet.
Trafiğin durmasına neden oluyor. Verene de ceza veriyorlar.
Almaz. Da verirler.
Evet. Burası da öbür ana cadde. Sağ tarafımız ve sol tarafa devam eden. Sol tarafa giden yol zaten ileride.
İstanbul too much car.
Yes,
Yani.
crowded.
Şeye gidiyor bu Sheraton
The
Oteli'ne.
population in Istanbul
Başkanın sarayına falan gidiyor.
15 million. The car number is 6 million.
We are around 90-95 million. Kulat kilo again to Korelelo. I give him warning to bring the good one.
Burada
Bilinci çok.
tabii. Çok.
Fakirlik olduğu için Allah yardımcılar olsun.
Şimdi insanın yüreği parçalanıyor ama
Na,
ben göz göze gelmemeye çalışıyorum çünkü dayanamıyorum.
Aynen.
Ama arabadan verirsen cezası var. Bir de kaç taneye verebilirsin?
Evet.
Yani burada 3 kişi olsa hani onu kollarsın ama 2000 kişi yapacak bir şey yok.
yeterli mi ya?
Şimdi Yusuf Bey yarın öğleden sonra ticaret ateşesi, büyükelçi müsaitse onlara gideriz. Bir de bir arkadaşımızla
Gideriz
şimdi
zaten
konuştum. Onun
Sen
burada
tanı?
mobilya fabrikası var. Aşağı yukarı 70-80 kişi çalışıyor. Ona bir uğrayabiliriz eğer uygun derseniz.
Enjoy.
Buyurun.
But if you wait for 1 year, in 1 year I finish the whole building. So, and most of the landowner they say, okay,
Give.
yeah, you start, make a good contract, and so it's win-win situation.
Win-win.
Yeah, if you take his money, how is he going to do the construction?
And it's very expensive this one. 100. Almost 10 million dollars.
This is, I think, 2 years ago. And they asked the foreign investors, what do you want? What is your problem? What is your proposal? That kind of a meeting. It was very crowded, maybe 1,000 people, Ethiopians and Turkish. It was usually, for the foreign investors. And he was asking, what is your problem?
Well,
Yeah. They said, "Naman."
but your friend is not successful. Where?
Where?
He don't like to be invested.
Murat?
Alright.
Kaç tane var?
Biri bitirme ha.
Hayır hayır. Var film var.
Biri bitirme.
Kemal, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I now video.
Okay.
Please speak American.
Amarik.
Yes, konuş.
Okay.
Speak.
Say thank you.
Okay, thank you.
In America.
Thank you,
Amerik.
Amerik what?
Ama saganalo.
Amerika kanallo.
Ama saganalo.
Okay. Speak
Yes.
other friends. Amerik speak.
Amarajan.
Speaking.
ንግግር
Mr. Geber, please speak Amerik.
አማሪክ
Abi. Attention, attention. Abi. Ha? Ha. Tarık Bey neydi Bey? Amerik. Bey neydi Bey? Ben Tarık Bey dolayı.
በስ ብለህስ ያስኬደኛል ልሂድ? እኔም እንኳን ችግር የለብኝም። ይሄ በጣም ገደል ነው። ይሄ ይቀለናል።
Kemal'in yerine el salladık.
አቤት
Yeah. Well, it should be, there are some condominiums,
Huh?
which is very luxurious, and maybe there are 1,000 houses. There we can open a coffee shop.
Yeah, around. You can rent a shop.
How about, the simit, round bread?
Huh?
Round bread in Istanbul.
Round bread?
Yeah, simit. It is a round bread with sesame on it,
Uh-huh.
you know?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and there are very good shops
Where?
in Istanbul. It's like a bakery,
Yeah.
like Kaldi's.
Yes.
But they sell mainly, cheese bread and sesame bread and other things.
Yeah, I get inside, I eat,
Yeah,
I taste.
and it's very nice, very good and very cheap. If we open something like that
Uh-huh.
in Addis, do you think it will make money?
Of course.
Yeah, but we cannot open it. You can open it
Why not?
because we are Faranji.
You can open through our... I think it's very important. Let me check on this office and then we go. Huh?
Yeah. The price you said was how much?
770 per square meter. Advance is 10% advance. 50,000 times this one,
Yeah.
you can get the amount. Total area.
Yeah. And we pay 10%.
Contract for 40 years. 40.
And how can we finish this? 1 month?
What?
We finish the contract.
Yes.
Yeah?
Your word.
Yes.
No, it's written. Mobile and camera. ችግር የለም። ጎ ጎ ጎ Go, go. I don't need you. Front of me. I don't need you in front of me. This is the privatization agency, investment agency. This is investment agency for Ethiopia. They're making guard the fence. The fence and selling out. I will be here. I will be here. Just wait a minute, huh? I will rearrange the car back. But they cannot open. Huh? They get up like this. No need 50,000 small.
Yeah. 10,000, yeah.
Not expensive, 10,000.
Yeah.
I can't finish with you 1 hour, 1 month. According to
Shall
my
we take it
relation.
from a piece from that or another place?
As you like, a piece or another. Even another is in our hand this time.
Similar price?
Huh?
Similar price?
Yeah, the price is similar.
Something like that.
Same. But when the size is small, it will be cheaper.
But the square meter is the same. Meter price.
Yeah, flexible. Who needs sheet metal and nail mash? Another company?
Yeah, the metal group.
If they give a small amount of the share, we can. But we are not going to contribute money. Especially the nail it have market.
So you
Ama
can
da
bring
otelin
the
yeri
coil
çok
and make
güzel.
the nail.
You want this.
Yeah.
አሁን ያስፈልጋል። ይሄን እንደ ፕሪንሲፕል ልጆች ነገር
The coils they will import from Turkey.
Yeah.
አሁን ያስፈልጋል። በዛ ስትጠይቀው እሱ እና ይሄን እንደዚህ ማለት ነው።
Not supposed to dry like this, you know.
Green? No?
Maybe small.
Yeah, I take before. 1 kilogram.
ዛሬ ያው ደስ ይላል ብቻ ነበርኩልኝ። እግዚአብሔር ይስጥሽ ዛሬ መጣሻል።
When you boil in the house, smell is coming.
Yes.
You need for that, I know. Yeah?
I do it like that.
ትንሽ ወደኋላ ተመልሼ
Yes,
ልጨምር
me too.
ከገንዘቡ ጉዳይ ላይ መጀመሪያ ደስ ስላለኝ ነው ያነሳችው ነገር በተለይ 6 ወር መጠናናቱ ጊዜ
I cannot give chance a lot. Once he asked me again to
እርግጠኛ ነኝ
again.
ሰው
One by one.
One by one.
ሁላችንም ስንሰማ 6 ወር እንዴት በ6 ወር ሰው እንዴት ይጋባል ልንል እንችላለን እና
Biz radyo Amerik language
ያለባቸው
Amharic, yes.
Amerika'sı ha?
Amharic, yes.
ላይ የሚኖረው መጠናናት ላይ ጊዜው ሳይሆን ከዛ ሰው ጋር የምትነጋገራቸው ነገሮች ምን ያህል ዋጋ አላቸው፣ ምን ያህል ሚዛን ይደፋሉ። በተለይ ብዙ ጊዜ እኔ ትሬኒንግ ስሰራ
This is
ሰዎችም ጋር
Amharic.
ስሰራ አስምሬ ሁሌ
See. the Majesty, this one. Haile Selassie.
Biz geçen de şuraya geldik değil mi Tarık?
Development Bank.
Yeah. Yes, that's what he's asking.
Here is Hilton.
Yeah.
Hilton?
Sağ tarafta Hilton var.
Ha.
This side with them is Minister of Security and
Balance. Ministry of
Foreign Affairs.
Foreign Affairs, yeah. This one also.
You cannot run around. You cannot. Not allowed to make photo here. They're making
Ah.
not allowed photo here.
Okay, okay,
Prime
thank you.
Minister.
Yes, yes, yes.
Italian.
Italiano.
30 people Italian catch one day. 30,000.
They got here?
Yes. Ethiopia people is strong.
Burada mühendislik fakültesi var.
Evet. Sağda mı?
Evet.
Tamam.
The party office before it was university with this one. During Haile Selassie. The military time they took over.
This is Arap Kilo. Yes?
Arat Kilo, yes. This is very old building. Old.
Maybe 1950.
90.